Welcome back after the break. Food in India is a tradition in itself, and the keepers of this brilliant tradition are our mothers. With this thought in mind, the owners of Home for Food Traditions endeavor to provide a well-planned and healthy diet in an age when most people are on the go and eat whatever looks good.
Tucked away from the hustle and bustle of city life, Home for Food Traditions is a new setup in Todapur village, brimming with activity. Life traditions still thrive here. The aim is to provide affordable meals planned to take care of one's nutritional requirements. All these items are high-end food products, free of preservatives, made by people of the village. Skill development is a key aspect of the work culture.
I got sensitized to a fact that food is one thing which is essential for our next generation to grow up well. And I looked at it very closely across my travel, where I noticed that people, when I say youngsters, especially youngsters, are willing to eat anything in the name of fast food, anything in the name of their busy schedule. And I realized that whatever that they are eating, it is taking them away from the roots. When I say roots, our traditional values which have made us what we are today in terms of our body is not what they are getting. The next generation is surely going to go away from our traditional values, food values. So we thought of doing something, maybe starting a small, wherein we can later on create it as a movement, where we said, why not bring in the expertise of our grandmothers, our mothers, and blend it with a modern cooking technique in a manner that our next generation also finds it interesting to consume.
Training is a passion actually, and this job I've been doing from last 15-20 years. So I'm happy to train people, but when you're training local people who are illiterate and from villages and all, it is a different challenge. But I always take it as a challenge when you're writing something on a clean board. It's easier to write on a clean board than to teach a professional.
On to HFT's kitchen, where Chef Krishna Kumar will show us the making of multigrain bread. Made from the best of 9 grains mixed in the right proportion, the fresh dough is prepared and put in molds to give them proper shape. The next step is to put these in a steamer to be baked in an oven. Mixed with healthy herbs, seeds and spices, the benefits of multigrain bread loaves are incredible.
मल्टीग्रेन ब्रेड जो बनाते हैं, इसमें हम 9 टाइप के आटे अलग अलग इस्तेमाल करते हैं। तो इसमें हमें भी कुछ सीखने को मिला है मार्केट में। जो हम खाते हैं ब्रेड या जो हम देखते हैं बनाते हैं, तो हम खाली आटे का मैदे का बनाते थे ब्रेड। अभी यहाँ पे हम आके 9 टाइप के आटे जो इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, तो हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है और हमें अच्छा भी लगता है कि हाँ, हमने कुछ नया सीखा। मतलब कहीं जाके कुछ नया कर सकते हैं, किसी को बता सकते हैं, दिखा सकते हैं, तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा इससे।
These beautiful looking beetroot single bites known as garaiya go well with any kind of spread. The dough is prepared with beetroot juice, which has high nutrition value. After the dough is ready, it is shaped into small buns, which is first steamed and then baked to give it that special flavor. These easy to grab buns are a wholesome meal.
व्हीट का आटे में और बीटरूट का जो प्यूरी निकाल के उसको गूंथते हैं, उसमें नमक, शुगर और हनी ऊपर से लगाते हैं। उसके गूंदने के बाद उसको गोल छोटे छोटे साइज में बना के प्रूइंग करते हैं। उसके बाद जो है बेक करते हैं हम। फिर बेक करने के बाद वो रेडी हो जाती है।
Last but by no means least on the list of options is this bhusri. Inspired by the tradition of stuffed baked parathas, bhusri is made from whole wheat. The bhusri comes in an innovative varieties of stuffing like spinach and corn or paneer, which again is a step-by-step process, making them a healthy as well as a scrumptious meal.
जैसे हम देखते हैं आजकल बच्चे फास्ट फूड की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, तो हमने उसको देखते हुए होल व्हीट आटे में पौष्टिक सब्जियों का जो मिक्सचर बनाया होता है उसको उसमें स्टफ करते हैं। उसके बाद उसे इम्प्रूविंग करके बेक करके फिर उन तक पहुंचाते हैं जो उनके लिए प्रोटीन युक्त और पौष्टिक होता है।
Easy to carry, they are ideal for packed lunches for school children and people on the move.
The home food tradition attempts to create an eat right movement with the task of providing the wholesome meals for the people on move. When it comes to planning a meal every day, the HFT is fostering a care of a mother with a touch of professionalism. With camera person Vijay, Ravleen Kaur for Rajya Sabha Television. Now looking at these meals, it's very clear that these meals not only cater to the palate but also add some nutritional value to our lives. And with that, it's time for me to wrap up this particular episode of Colors of India. We'll be back with more exciting stories same time next week. Until then, take very good care. It's a goodbye from the entire team.